The gold has lost its luster. In these final chapters, we witness a total social inversion. Those once dressed in scarlet now cling to ash heaps. Princes who were once radiant as snow have skin shriveled like old leather. The famine is so biting that the anointed of the Lord, the King himself, is hunted down like a beast in a pit. But the poetry ends not with a period but with a question mark. Chapter 5 is a communal prayer, a raw appeal to the King who reigns forever, while his people suffer under the yoke of strangers. They pay for their own water and work until their strength fails, yet they look upward. They don't demand an explanation. They beg for a homecoming. Restore us to yourself, Lord, that we may return. Renew our days as of old. It is a haunting, open-ended plea, the sound of a people who have lost everything except the address of the one who holds their future. Today's takeaway: faith is the gut-wrenching courage to ask for restoration while the ruins are still smoking and the future is still uncertain.
Subscribe.